Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your jade plant step by step. First, let's talk about light. Jade plants absolutely love bright, indirect sunlight. They need at least 6 hours of it every single day to thrive. A south-facing window is often the perfect spot, offering plenty of light without the harshness of direct, intense sun. Remember, too little light can lead to leggy, weak growth and pale leaves, so placement is key for a happy plant. Next, let's discuss watering, which is crucial for jade plants. You should water your plant thoroughly, but only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel completely dry to the touch. It's vital to allow all excess water to drain out of the pot to prevent root rot, which can be fatal. During the cooler, dormant months, your plant will need significantly less water, so adjust your frequency accordingly. Now, let's talk about the right environment for your jade plant's roots. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Think succulent or cactus blends. These mixes prevent water from sitting around the roots, which is a common killer for jade plants. Always use a pot with drainage holes. This is non-negotiable. You'll want to repot your jade every 2 to 3 years, or when you notice it becoming root-bound, to give it fresh nutrients and space. Finally, let's cover feeding and pruning to keep your jade plant looking its best. Fertilize sparingly during the active growing season, which is typically spring and summer, about every 2 to 4 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but make sure to dilute it to half its recommended strength to avoid over-fertilizing. Pruning is also important. It helps maintain a desirable shape, encourages bushier growth, and allows you to remove any dead or unhealthy stems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.